Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. Today is Saturday, September 21st, 2024, also known as AFO, a market in Igbo land, a day of truth, success and merriment, of being hardworking and creative. You are highly blessed and empowered with your brain to acknowledge the things that your Creator created and made perfect to accompany your life, for you to be creative to beautify the earth with things that are suitable for human life, for the multiplication of the continuity of humans on the planet, and to fulfill the mission of the creation of the earth, to witness the active work of the wind, the regular work of the water, and the productivity of the sand, and its hard work of carry everything on earth for humans to establish themselves. The creator of the universe favors humans, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of the wind, water and sand that constantly sustaining humans' life. Today, Saturday, we celebrate wind. For the active work opens human life, we are truly safe and secure through the work of the wind. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, also known as the wind, water and sand, the blessings of the universe, Onyendu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife. The wind is more than just a natural phenomenon. It is a messenger of truth and a symbol of life's continuity.